suspending or unsuspending an account in WHM. This demo assumes you've already logged in to WebHost Manager. Now let's learn how to suspend a hosting account in WHM. Click the Account Functions link. Then click Manage Account Suspension. This is the page where you can suspend a hosting account or unsuspend a previously suspended account. Let's go ahead and suspend an account. Select the account you want to suspend. Alternatively, we could have selected the account's username. Type in a reason for the suspension. This is for your own reference. Then click the Suspend button. The account has been suspended. Now when someone browses to this account's website, they'll see the suspended account message instead of the home page. You can customize the suspended account page by clicking the Web Template Editor link. However, we won't do this now. Let's go back to the Manage Account Suspension page. All accounts highlighted in red are suspended. Let's unsuspend the account. Select the domain, then click Unsuspend. The account has now been unsuspended. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to suspend and unsuspend hosting accounts in WHM.